Have you ever noticed the changes in our environment? If so, you may be interested in decreasing your carbon footprint and becoming a little more environmentally conscious. If so, I have some tips for you that can lead you down this path of environmental friendliness. First, I would start with carbon footprint. Decreasing your carbon footprint is a great way to be environmentally conscious and aware. Things like walking and riding bikes, using your vehicles less to travel. Any small steps you can take to decrease how much fossil fuels you use is a great step in the direction of fixing our climate or bringing our climate back to its natural state. Another big thing is water consumption. Fresh water is a very sparse resource on the planet. There's only so much that's easily accessible to us, and once we go through that, we have to start distilling salt water, which is a wildly energy intensive process, which ties back into our carbon footprint, and whatever we can do to decrease the amount of work we need to do to get the things we need is great. So things like taking shorter showers, turning the water off while you're brushing your teeth, using like high efficiency dishwashers and appliances is a really big key there as well. And then things like using less fertilizers in your lawn and pesticides and stuff like that really helps increase the biodiversity in an area. You'll see more pollinators, you'll see dragonflies and things like that help balance out the ecosystem, so we don't have to deal with pests like mosquitoes and things like that, which are naturally treatable, but we are more inclined to go spray pesticides and stuff. So things like that are huge. So in your own lawns, in your own homes, if you can get away from fertilizers and pesticides and let wildflowers bloom in your yards, it's wonderful for the environment. And it's even better for our waterways, because when we get heavy rain, all of that fertilizer runs off of the topsoil and goes directly into our bays and aquifers, which is incredibly harmful. So these three keys: lowering your carbon footprint, decreasing your water consumption, and using less fertilizers and pesticides, are some great ways to be more climate conscious.